wipeout. Yeah, he's doing some of that free-for-all stuff. Gun game. Here, can you hold this for him?
I'm gonna get 2 pistol things on both sides. I'm gonna get one
right bunker. Mesta, you got right bunker, right?
Okay, you get the turret. I'll get the vest. Like that. I got your gun for it. Yeah. Okay. Go. How did I not get hit? Oh wow.
Don't, whatever you do, don't shoot me. Keep eyes on Kozer. CO2.
Hey, is Kozer on our team or not?
Kozer, if he gets hit, he'll switch to us side.
I know, my back is go.
What you got?
Oh, there he is. They're not the short bunkers, they're the one on the left, you can't see it. Loading.
Covering.
Up.
You need to move up. I'll move up with you. They're shooting at the bunker. You want to move up? Cover.
Right cover.
Clear. Medic! Medic's hit! Jared! $11 o'clock. Cover fire, moving up.
Yo, they're all on their spawn, man.
They're camping their spawn.
Hey, it's not open field, is it? Open field, Tower.
Call open field! They're just camping their spawn. Open field, we all rush in on their side.
Good Lord, you're hit!
Keep eyes on Kozer.
Watch your left because they're still in those bushes over there. So I'm staying right here. Whoa! And it's not over field yet. Okay, where do I start? I hit your hand! And there's spawn.
Open field, go, move in.
Move up.
Are we clear? that game? Yeah. One good way to... Go over to the left a bit. If I can get over there. Cover fire. Hit! Yeah. It's... Cover! It's open field. Oh. What do you got? Bang! Ow. You good? Roger. Yeah. Shot in the ear.
What? What'd you say?
Cover. The game? No, no, no. We're still going. Thomas, cover fire! Yay! Guys, cover fire. I'm moving left. Is he good?
Sorry. Damn. I would have fired him. I know. He had his head, like, all I saw was his head. He had the hand up. Damn, he lit his face up, man. I think I hit him right here, and I was just like, nah, he looks dead. My son got it, though. I didn't pull out.